Hey, thanks so much for stopping in. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make tasty sautéed shrimp in a garlic tomato sauce. The first thing we're going to do is make that sauce. So let's add some olive oil to a medium-sized pot over low heat. We're going to add in sliced garlic. We're only going to cook this for about a minute or two, just until lightly brown, and then at this point, we are going to add in some whole peeled tomatoes. We want to cook this down over low heat for about 20 minutes. I'm going to break up those tomatoes as well. You could use crushed tomatoes if you'd like. Once it gets to this consistency, we're going to add in a little bit of tomato paste. This is just going to help thicken it up and also add in some more tomato flavor. Cook it for a further 5 minutes. This looks absolutely perfect. What we want to do at this point is add in about 15 to 20 fresh basil leaves. Just tear them and add them right in there. Season it up with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Stir it until it is completely combined. Then what we're going to do is just set it to the side and keep warm. Now, in a separate large pan, we're going to add in some olive oil over high heat. Next, we're adding in 2 pounds of 1620 peeled and deveined shrimp. We're going to cook these for just 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to cook very, very quickly. Then we're going to deglaze with a little bit of white wine. You can use Sauvignon Blanc or even Chardonnay. We're going to further cook it for another 2 minutes, let some of those wine flavors infuse. Then what we want to do is season this up with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Stir it until combined, then add in that tasty tomato sauce. No need to cook it any further, just mix it until it is combined. Now you can serve it right up in this rondeau dish, or you can serve it on a platter, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish it off with a little more olive oil, a little bit more fat and flavor, then some crushed red pepper flakes, and some more of those fresh torn basil leaves. And this appetizer with some crusty bread from the Heinen's bakery department is unbelievably delicious. You will love it.